In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and join a session with TeamViewer Remote. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly start or join a remote support session without any confusion. Let's start right at your computer. First, open the TeamViewer app on your device. You can do this by finding the TeamViewer icon on your desktop in your taskbar or by searching for it in your applications list. Give the app a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your usual TeamViewer account. Having the app fully open and ready is important because everything we're about to do happens inside this main window. Once the app is open, look for the home section. This is usually found in the main navigation area, often on the left side or at the top of the window, depending on your version. Click on Home. Think of the Home section as your starting dashboard. It brings together the key options you'll use most often, including creating and joining sessions. After you've clicked Home, take a moment to look over the page, then start scrolling down. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the side of the window. As you scroll, you'll see different panels and options related to remote control, meetings, and connections. Don't worry if it looks a bit busy, you're just looking for the section that mentions sessions. Keep scrolling until you see an option labeled Create a Session. This is the button you'll use when you want to start a new remote session that others can join. Go ahead and click Create a Session. When you do this, TeamViewer will generate a session that you can share with the person you're helping or collaborating with. Depending on your version, you may see options to copy a link, send an invitation, or configure what kind of access the other person will have. Take a second to review those settings, especially if you're concerned about security or permissions. Once the session is created, you're ready to share the details so the other person can connect. Now, sometimes you're not the one creating the session, but instead you've been invited to join one. In that case, you won't use the Create option. From the same home area, as you scroll, look for the option that says Join Session. This is typically near the Create option in the same general section. Click Join Session when someone else has already set up the connection and given you a session link or code. After you click Join Session, you'll usually be asked to enter the session information that was shared with you, such as a session ID or invitation link. Carefully paste or type in the details, then confirm to connect. TeamViewer will handle the rest, and within a few moments you should be connected to the host's session. That's all you need to create or join a session with TeamViewer Remote. Remember, open the app, go to Home, scroll down, and then choose either Create a Session if you're hosting or Join Session if you're connecting to someone else. With these steps, you'll be able to start or join remote sessions quickly and confidently whenever you need them.